Welcome back. You're watching Aciero in Amsterdam. Today I'm back again, and today is our first video in the new year. So happy 220. I know it's a little bit late, but we have been waiting for some of our equipment, and like I promised you, this year is going to be special. We'll be bringing you more videos regularly and we'll be on schedule. Last year we had many issues going on. Our computer stopped working, our audio wasn't good enough. We had to rebuild our studio, so we had to do some renovations, and all that took so much time. And we also had to analyze what we had to do this year. So this year, I'm happy to be introducing to you a new series we are going to do, and we are going to be doing some videos on tech and some IT projects on Aciero websites and how to set up your business if you're interested in that topic. So please leave a comment and send your questions to the comment section below. I'll be able to answer them for you. And before we continue, first thing I was thinking about last year is the first thing we need to do is improve our audio. So what I'm going to start with today is unboxing some tech products. So these tech products these are the products we've bought for our studio in 2020. So we'll be doing many unboxing videos, and most of these things we're going to be unboxing are the things we bought for the studio, and they're going to help me and help you improve our performance and improve our quality of the videos we are introducing to you. So stay tuned and find out on more equipment I'll be unboxing this year and more videos. And of course, not to forget, we'll be continuing with designing our pretty scarves in the studio too. So stay tuned for that too. And I know it's a little bit confusing when I'm always filming in a different setting, but don't be afraid. It's winter and it's really dark. I can't get any natural light outside or to get into, so it's really difficult. So bear with me if the video is a little bit dark, but it will improve with time as the weather becomes lighter, as the days go into the summer. I would like to thank all our supporters and viewers and sponsors that have supported me through 2019, who have donated products and donated things to help us. We had problems with our computer, and one of our sponsors sent us a laptop which we've been using. It's helped us out. Please, thank you very much, Martin. We're very happy with the laptop, and we are going to be able to bring you more and more. And if you want to sponsor us and want to help us out on anything on this channel, please leave us a comment below or contact us in the comment section. We'll answer you. So I'm very grateful to you all, and stay tuned, and I hope 220 will achieve what we like. And keep on supporting us, keep on watching, and keep on sending your comments and likes. And thank you. And that was it. Stay tuned for next week and all the books to come after that. And see you soon. Bye.